more shocking is that the man, that resident.
You've started your business and it's time to register for a trademark.
Because but people say them see him, but me feel say people see him and no want to talk, brother. That me feeling, brother.
Of course, the name matters. The man is on the run, you know. Why is someone so slow? You ask if the name matters. The man is on the run, so if the people hear the name, then people can know it's who, and maybe if them see him somewhere, them can come talk. I try find the man, but take out the little 14-year-old girl. So you can't ask the question, does the name matter? The name is very important.
I'm going to tell you, Lamar, we art really goes out to you. And the reason why I'm so passionate about
yes, but the thing is, me no want.
You understand?
Nobody at all about my mother.
So we can hear the name. Play the thing.
It's okay, Lamar. We're not really a judge your mother no more. Because you come on from morning, we just say.
Yeah, because me no want them to say my mother kills. Because as I tell you, she not for that home. At school, she for there. You see me? At school, she for there. She sick, she there.
The door, push up. The door will always be talked about because, baby, the door was pushed up. The door never locked. So it will, and the door was the barrier between your sister and her fist. Yeah.
Yeah, me understand. So at the door, yeah, that's true. But
don't call out the name on here. Don't call out the name on here. You can't say the name on here.
Yes, but as me I say, I like say my mother left her every day.
Hold on, Lemma. Big base, which name?
The R name. That's why I say pissed. You can't say the R part. Remember, say we can't say that pan here now. The R word. Yeah.
Now they play the something, but we can't hear the man name now.
In the area, on foot, undetected, unharmed, unnamed, unvideoed, unphotographed, on everything. Now the community that brutal attack took place is a community of Spanish Town Road, is known as Palm Grove Court. And if memory serves me correct, I write out a 2 mile lesson in the vicinity of Crescent Road and its environs, right in that area. And it's just funny because if it was police going to the place, like two of them killy. Everybody phone would have work, everybody would have see where I go on, everybody would have know where I go on. But when time a so-called madman up on a rampage like that, when force himself inside at the 14-year-old and then use armor for machine her head, take her 3 pints like that, it goes undetected. Not even my mother hear anything at all. Sad to say. So we're going to hear from her mother as she weighs in on the gruesome passing of our 14-year-old child. Then we're going to try to dissect this thing here and see if we can make any sense of it, because as far as I can see, as Ninja Man in the meme would have said, something right here, so yeah man, but anyway, listen.
I'm a live for all fear of God. God, are you my live for me? I'm a feeling of God. God, are you my live for me?
Internet are cut out, people. We'll have to wait till we come back.
God, I will come back and I'm the best of man. No, man. No, Christ. The girl.
No man, no, we not get the video, we not get it right.
It's a cut out of the internet. Me not have no service for that one. Me just go ahead.
If you don't miss it, God, so no. Not God, so Jesus.
Just go and listen it, man. You hear it that way. It cut and come in. I just the internet now work good.
No, man,
Let's
we
try.
can't like that. No, we text
But
somebody.
me no feel say he's a madman still. I'm not gonna lie. That is a better. I be a little think. I be a little foolish me a year better. Oh, this so.
All right, let us hear what one private has to say.
Yo, me dad.
Private.
Yeah.
Lamar, your sister?
Yeah.
You were there, Jamaica, you're there foreign.
Canada my day.
Alright, so you see you, me never blame you. When a big man level, you're up on the ground. So I can't tell you what I go. Because based on what me say, we're not an idiot. None of we not idiot. When I see the player, they see the woman will say, the story will say, she see the madman at test door or whatever. That story
Yeah.
didn't sound right. For once.
And that me I say too.
Hold on now, my brother. If you up on the ground, you would get the information correct. You may say, I'm going to tell you something on a big man level. Number 2, you need to get your mother out of the community there.
Yeah.
No love, no dead for your mother. You hear me? On a big man level. You hear me? And me I tell you this again. Do man, hear the story she said to me. She said, she see the madman at test the door. And she see the madman upstairs the sister living up. And the madman go inside and she run go call your cousin and tell your cousin say, look like your mother up there beat your sister looking. That doesn't sound right. You see the madman going at the house. Oh, you ever talk to the mother up there beat the picnic?
Who said that? Who said I saw the man go in the house?
Hold on, my brother. My brother. Me dey on my life. Over
A woman will say, a
600
woman will live across my building.
Over 600 people that put my life. People dead with fast, with fake page. If it's a madman, why the people them afraid for talk?
Yeah, for true.
Fake page that people them afraid for talk. I can't a madman them afraid of.
She no want talk something, brother. I feel like say she know
Hello,
you, brother.
general,
But she no
I
want
am
talk.
mother. I am mother, but she know. Hello, me not gonna wrong her, but me I tell a big man, get your mother out of the community there. Your sister never deserve that. I see the boy on video, when who saw a video that tape there, wrong. Because him not there that show the damage already now. All him a look on her front, who saw a video that's her front, him a look on it now. He never show a sheet to a little girl, you know. Not even a sheet him a show a little girl, you know. Dog, get your mother out of the community, then, my brother. Get your mother. No love, not there for your mother. You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, get your mother. If I will work, I'll make sure you get a little one room, get your mother out of there, so. Can not even hug your mother, scream out for somebody, hug her. And the TVJ, the TV man of hug her.
Exactly. No one in the community seems like
Nobody in the community can console woman, you know.
No one in the community look at them like
In
the
general,
mother.
get your mother out there, so. You hear me say? Get your mother out there, so. Say, yo, is anybody do your sister, so? They're going to get worse than that, I tell you that. Big man tell you. Because the whole community know I'm to your sister. They're not. I see madman on the market innocently. The madman they don't know nothing. That me I tell you. The madman is innocent. Because somebody say when the sister scream out, the madman at the shop and sweep out for them shop. The madman never up this up.
Mm-hmm.
You see the cousin was supposed to get liquid, whatever I said him. I broke him up, but I'm a lick him. I'm in the hospital. He never tell me who him go see.
Him in it too. Him half
He
an
said,
hour.
you're not talk. My brother, me sorry that up on the ground. You shot up on the ground and that Jamaica so I go on. Some truth not hello, some not talk.
One private, me could listen to Andy Spark Media. Me get it now. Me could listen to this.
Hold on now. Hold on. So one private, that's it?
Yeah man, take me down.
Something not yes. Okay, so guys, I don't know. The poor mother. Hold on the Nordia, please. Persons are coming. Let's hear from the people there. On the spot, need to take long for calling in. Kimmy, you have to follow the page. You have to follow the page, Kimmy, to come in the box. Follow the page.
But I
So
said,
the man
Cathy.
in the hospital can't talk yet. Well, I want to know if him can't talk for true, why the police can't go in and go question him. I don't know why the police can't question him, why he can't talk yet.
Police them are question him, man.
As well, one private stuff for true, Lamar, when he watched the news, I didn't see
Box
nobody
him
out.
I really think him attack because me observe everything.
I used to see
And
nobody.
I really think him attack, yeah.
People that walk past her while she did her cry, and so nobody was coming out to her assistant for hug her and say, wow, mommy, we there with you. Come here, she said, when me do so.
Hey, sweet 246 girl, you think.
All
That's
right.
how we tell you, Lamar. We're not going against you. We are with you. We're not going against you. So just take a little time and grieve and just listen. Listen to the outcome of it. All right, you want to play it now?
Yes, go ahead.
The horrific manner in which this little one lost her life, may I tell you, it's heart-wrenching. Now, the police states that they have launched a manhunt for the suspect in relation to the brutal loss of life of Price Johnson. A hold on and take type of situation go on, a man force himself inside of her and then use a hammer to inflict several blows to her head. By the time them rush her to the hospital, she lose her 3 points whilst undergoing treatment. Now what is more shocking is that the man that residents claim to be of unsound mind escaped in the area on foot, undetected, unharmed, unnamed, unvideoed, unphotographed, on everything. Now the community that brutal attack took place is a community of Spanish Town Road, is known as Palm Grove Court. And if memory serves me correct, I right out a 2 mile in the vicinity of Crescent Road and its environs, right in that area there. So. And it's just funny because if it was police going to the place, go slap with 2 of them killy, everybody phone would have work, everybody would have see where I go on, everybody would have know where I go on. But when time
It just happen. Things happen, and it happened to the child. No, them to just try to find the person who did it. That's it. We don't need to
I don't say anything. I don't say anything. But the mother rang for come out and leave our little girl at the house and sleep and don't lock the door.
One thing, hold on a second. Kesh. Kesh your name or Kish? Alright, you see, because the story is not adding up, right? Whatever.
Don't tell me something better. May I tell you about things that me know. Don't tell me that.
Yes,
Don't tell me that. May I tell you about things that me know. And the daughter can't tell me some mother set her up them way there.
One thing, hold on a second now. Things happen in ghettos. Everybody will live in a ghetto and say, bad man send for little girl. Sometimes, not in every ghetto. Good day, Nicola, not in every ghetto. And everybody know too. Once the little girls them start blossom,
exactly.
Even the big man them in the ghetto, try to deal with them.
Them first for some plate.
I remember say, most of the times, the little girls them get the blame. Them not call the big man them pedophile, them call them say the little girl them bad. And sometimes the little girl them get groomed. Cause come on, let's not be naive. I'm not saying the mother did nothing because I don't know what the mother did, yes or no, or whatever. Maybe the mother is hurting.
May I come down?
Okay, no, you don't have to come down.
No, may I go into the store, so may I come down?
Maybe the mother, Kesh.
Take me down.
Maybe the mom, unaware of what is going on, had no clue. Maybe she innocently left the door open. I'm not going to say she left the door open because I don't think that's motherly to do. To leave a door open so that an adult can go do whatever with your child, because that little girl is a child, 14 years old. But we also have to look at the facts that's laid out in front of us. Normally, I watch ID and watch Oxygen on TV all the times. And when them call them crimes of passion. A crime of passion is when a person knows somebody and do them things that want to hurt them. Sometimes them did they. Sometimes the person knows something about them. I mute Cash.
No, I mute myself.
But under these circumstances, I don't, and I not get it. I'm looking at it from 4 angles: west, south, east, north, and I'm like, if it's an apartment building, I can understand it if it was a house. If it was a house, guys, right? If it was a house where, you know, the other big house, the little distance, but it's an apartment complex, guys. When she's in the apartment crying out, if she was crying out,
yeah, but mother, look like the resident them afraid of him. Yeah, it's a house where the whole of them living, where the whole of them near upon one another. But it's a part is them see the man when the man are going there and nobody not try to do nothing. The man never did it, mother out or stall.
Oh, that means the man no mad.
It's not a mad that. For pass, go in, everybody pass him and go in. Cool door and go straight. Come up do up on the.
If the madman come from the area, how come the man don't know him?
The bad man don't come from the area because it's not a bad man.
Eh?
It's not a madman, him don't come from the area.
So you're saying them you're saying them afraid of him.
Them afraid them look like he's a bad man.
A strange bad man come from a next area and come do the things them.
Analyze it and go back.
No man can come from no strange area and come in an area come do nothing.
Him not come from far.
Area.
I don't know nobody in the area.
Mother, I be said this one. Just get some picture with Dawn. With the police them go raid in our house and then video the woman naked and put up on the internet, mother. Oh my God.
I said the internet stay. I said the police. So Rose, this is the police station.
Hey, when me done with them, let me tell you. They too disrespectful, naked as a woman, bad. Them put out the woman.
Wow.
And she say it's not she. It's not she, said the police.
Somebody officer she.
Yeah, cause them a say she send the police there. But she said no, it's not she.
You see the video?
But she's a she, if a she.
All of that again.
Well, I must.
Well, if
some liar tell, car. Remember, I know one door depend, I know one house depend the block there. And the man just walk straight na your house. He no make no if no turn on a butt. He just walk straight in. And he knows the door
weapons
door lock.
Go there with the weapon.
I know the door lock. So he just shoot the door, go straight in. I tell you, Jaja.
Very sad.
Yeah, well, the cousin being. Really coming and understand the part with the cousin. Now try to understand the part with the cousin, guys.
I don't me say me I want to find him out the man lick him, make him couldn't ball out. Something, yeah. Either them afraid of who go in the house or what. So me say. It's not a madman.
And a joke, but you say it like joking. You say you want to find him out the man licking why him couldn't ball out in a easy.
Hey, Wes, baby, what's up? I'm not saying that because.
Yeah, cause me live near there. Me live in a Cockburn Pen.
Oh, you live near there?
Oh, a Cockburn Pen it happen?
No, yeah, Cockburn Pen, but it have a state like them say out of 2 miles. Spanish Town.
Oh. Why?
Yes, I'm good. But me like a smart with the little girl, no?
But her mother cry and say she never want she dead, so me not understand this so.
I'm not supposed to want you pick me dead anyway, no,
what that me I say? What you mean me no want she dead so? Me not understand her.
Maybe the manner in a how she maybe the manner in a how she get alive. But it could be
Yeah, cause she say when she go go look or wall her marrow splash from the window and her eye them pull out.
that means she never gonna make it anywhere. And she not even touch vegetable. And
She never go.
and maybe she live for few days and whatever.
Well, me tell you. But I want bad here already say you know. Me not understand. Me not understand how a man just walk in and walk out.
Exactly.
It's a bad era why the mother left him without the door open.
Exactly.
Mother,
Tell her call when she go back out her stall. She should have call her and tell her to lock back the door.
Others. Right there's some mother where when the little girl get killed, them place her on the others. So this is what me I say. If it look like the cousin, but then it can't be the cousin because the cousin in the hospital. Because it's in the hospital. So it have to be somebody nearby in the community that did it. And
well, them afraid of everybody say them see the man.
Everybody said them see the person walk with the blood up earth.
So nobody no want call no name. Everybody afraid.
Exactly.
If them afraid too.
Nah, look.
And them living in the era.
And then it's a bad area, but nobody never hold him. Him just walk, just go away, just so.
Just walk in and walk out, so just so.
Just walk in and walk out.
That's what the bad man them did, man. Look.
I feel like them know for true, because listen now, and then for listen to the mother carefully, the mother will choose her words. The mother was, I mean, I'm told the mother not to die, but the mother did not choose her words. The mother sound conflicted.
So then me I not go sue, me I not go court.
Kasha.
And the police.
Look at baby girl. She not have to move. You know, say a madman.
If the mother scared for her life, she move.
Yes.
But then say a madman. Them say it's a
But the
madman.
Kasha,
Yeah.
the mother no says no madman.
She know. Listen me now. You see the cousin.
Kasha,
The man will say the madman licking with the
talk. I can't see the woman living oh God, man, look at the woman I break. The woman living that girl. So the woman cannot talk. Probably if she move now, she can't be able to speak because she there somehow nobody don't know what she there. She can't speak when I'm to her child. And like me say, if the cousins are part of the police,
Hold on, one at a time. Kasha,
mother, you hear what me say before, me say no. Me say for me like the mother, I'm living in that community and that I'm to my child. I know people dead there. I like who don't like me so well, me I move. Me I take it with a smile then and move. Me now I'm not arguing, me leaving.
Yeah.
You understand? Because for a community like that with a whole heap of Lego bird girl, like we in the ghetto, you saw. Oh, you not see the man, how good the man will get the liquor and talk and him can't tell the police them say, him have a big nose with a swell eye, him have a this. You can't give a description of the man. How are you say and him can't up a fight?
Yeah. Something alright for you, my love. Something that add up.
Even if you can't get the police have a good sketch, once you pronounce, you start talking about when the sketch artist. Then we catch a look of feature, somebody will say, you know that favor Kasha. Get Kasha checked out. You can't get a sketch art.